Hey, this is Michelle. Welcome to our final You, Me, Same 3, and this month it was my turn and I chose some gold leaf paper, some mulberry paper with like gold strips in it, and then I thought these were beads when I sent them, so I apologize. I think they're like the inside of the beads, but there's no hole in them. So I apologize if you absolutely hated that item. I know it was a little more challenging, but I think I came up with a good idea on how to use it. These items are kind of holiday themed, I thought, so I decided to make, a tag or an ornament. It's going to be a tag, it's not going to be an ornament. I don't really love it, but I used all 3 items and I figure it counts. So I thought that the paper looked like snow. The paper that I sent came in a little mulberry pack, a pack of different bits of mulberry, and it also had that piece in it, and I thought that looked like snow. I got a little pack of coasters from the thrift store, so I'm using that as a base, and I just painted it with chalk paint, and then I used the line of the paper where the paper was to kind of create where the snow would be, and then the top part is like the sky. On the thumbnail for the video, I'm sure you saw that there wasn't any red from like those little bead pieces, and I did use them, but I thought, you know how they have bead gel, like glass bead gel that you can use? So I thought I could use them, and I mixed that with just some white chalk paint and some modeling paste, some homemade modeling paste, and then I made a couple of little snowmen just to add as little like pieces to my tag. If this is your first time catching this series, I'm sorry that you're here at the very last one, but what it is it's a collaboration between myself and my friend Tiffany, where we take turns supplying 3 items that we both use in a mixed media project. This year, which is our 3rd year doing this, we offered them in our Etsy shop so that other people could join along as well. So there are other videos listed below. There's Tiffany's video, and I know that's going to be awesome. And Hope also has a video, so make sure you check out what she created and give her some love. She always creates something great too, so check out theirs. And also Nina has a video, and she always does a great job when she joins in too, so make sure you check out all of those. I wanted to say thank you to everyone who's liked or commented and watched our videos, and I also want to say thank you to Tiffany. This has been so much fun, and I've loved doing this collaboration with you, and I can't wait to see what great things you do in the future, because I know there's going to be tons and they're going to be great. All right, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to set this to music. Oh, I didn't like that the snowmen were like the exact same size, so I used that one in place of the tiny little bedded one that was there. I just didn't like them together the same size. So anyhow, now I'm going to stop talking and put some music on.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. While the season's all about. While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreen. Keep the chimney clean, you know what I mean, 'cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the socks to fill, but they won't until the birth of Christmas Day.
So if you're still here and you haven't given up, I'm just about done. I'm going to adhere all my little pieces with some E6000, and then I'm going to call it good. So that is pretty much the end of it. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you can see when I put out some more videos. I do have some ideas for next year, so if you're interested in that, make sure you're subscribed with your notifications on, and then you'll know. And finally, I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays in whatever way you celebrate, and I hope everyone has a Happy New Year, and hopefully it's a good one. Bye.